अभी हम लोग, ये मेरी दोस्त, कौन हो तुम? रक्षी। वेलकम टू माई आवर डिजिटल चैनल। मैं सीमा हूँ और ये आज पीछे बैठी है। Who are you?
Stephanie.
Stephanie. What we are gonna do today?
We are going shopping and discovering things in the area.
Which area we are at?
I don't even know. It's in
No,
Texas.
but what city we are in Texas? What city we are in?
You'd have to tell me.
We are in Rosenberg, Rosenberg in Houston. So we are going to Sugarland and explore something in Sugarland also. It's called Sugarland, जो है ना, एक छोटा पाकिस्तान है। वो पाकिस्तान से उड़ के यहाँ आके जम गया है, तो आप लोगों को लगेगा पाकिस्तान है। तो चले चलते हैं। Let's go.
Let's go.
अब ये शुगरलैंड की सिटी में हम लोग एंटर हो रहे हैं और हाईवे से कौन सी फ्रीवे लेंगे हम सब्जी? हाईवे 6। आर वी एग्जिटिंग हाईवे 6? या हियर यू गो। बड़ा अच्छा मौसम हो रहा है, बारिश भी हो रही है। टू गो टू एक्सप्लोर। Are we going to Target now? Yeah. किधर है Target?
I think this
That looks like it there.
Is like there. Let me make a left.
Looks like a Target. I see
अभी हम
red.
टारगेट जा रहे हैं।
There's
इसको
red,
कुछ
there's a
खरीदना।
Target.
How can we forget Target?
तो मैं उधर उतार दूँ गेट पे।
Super Target.
Yeah, Super
So
Target.
Target's down there.
Do not worry, eat खोरी Stephanie. टेक योर टाइम। स्टेफनी को कुछ लेना है टारगेट से। ये हम सुपर टारगेट पहुंच चुके हैं ह्यूस्टन टेक्सास में।
So hello everybody. I'm about to go on a Super Target because Seema is relaxing, and that's my mission apparently, to show you Super Target. So here's the sign, Super Target, and we're gonna head in. Here's the entrance. Here is the Super Target. Getting ready for Valentine's Day. We have a bunch of stuff. Alright, so we're in the book section at Target, which is actually my favorite place.
Self-checking, right? You're gonna do the self-checking, right? Okay. How are you gonna do it? It doesn't work? Oh, I'm trying to fix it. Oh, okay, sorry. Where are you going, Stephanie?
Starbucks, which is located in Target.
In Houston. What you gonna drink it?
I'm thinking about getting a London Fog.
Okay. What you're getting it?
The London Fog with almond.
Almond. They have it?
They have that. They were out of the oat.
So almond milk, you're gonna use it. I did try once with the almond milk. It's just suck. I did try once with the almond milk some here in. It was not good at all.
I'll see.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you see.
I don't know. Do you like it better hot or?
Smelt it. It smells good. It smells good, so I would assume it tastes good.
Yeah.
I've always wanted to try it. I've never had the chance to.
I really like it cold.
Yeah. I'm more of a cold drink person, so okay.
Maybe you're not.
Oh. What is she doing?
It's called Sage Street, right? गैलरिया एरिया के एरिया में हम लोग दाखिल हो गए अभी। Galleria, here we come. ये आ गए. Stephanie is the best. Yeah. Look at me. How do you like it? ये अब हम गैलरिया के पास आए हैं. What is called water? Read it. Waterfall. Oh wow. You go there. Oh, it's beautiful. You go there, Stephanie. I'll go. You make my picture. You first. Then you go first.
No, you can go first.
Or you can do like this. Come on. Come on. Oh wow. You go, I'll make the picture of you. ये waterfall है गैलरिया में. Okay, now we're gonna see you our next vlog. See you soon. Thank you for watching us. Bye. Allah Hafiz.